Saxon Phonics, Lesson 51. Repeat each word after me and listen for the sound in the beginning of the word. Jet, jump, joke. What sound did you hear in the beginning of the words? Yes, J. But what letter is making that sound? Do you know? J, et, j, j, oak. J is the letter making that sound. J, et, jet, j, jump, j, oak, joke. Is J a consonant or a vowel? Right, it's a consonant. Here is how we write an uppercase J. Down and up, and a topper. For a lowercase j, we start the same way. Down and up, and then a dot, just like our eyes. Our new keyword for J begins with J. See if you can guess it. This is a wide-mouth container made of glass or plastic. It usually has a lid and it is used to store food or other things. A large one might store some cookies. What do you think it is? J. J. Jar. When you see this card, say jar, J. The keyword jar helps us remember the J sound because jar begins with J, J. We have one sight word with our lesson today, the word says. Sight words are hard to sound out. That's why we practice looking at them and knowing what they say. Repeat after me. Says. Says. Good job. Now let's move on to our phonic review. Get your worksheet out and look at numbers 1 through 10. Number 1. I. 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 Number 2. I. 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 And don't forget, I, consonant E. That sneaky E makes that I say I. Number 3. D. 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 What suffix also can say D? Right. E, D. Number 4. E. 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 And do you remember what we put with E? It also makes the E sound. Right, our double E. When we see two E's next to each other in a word, they sound out one sound, E. Number 5, W. 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 Number 6, T. 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 And what suffix also can make the T sound? Yes, ED. Number 7, Y. 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 Number 8. Ooh. Ooh. Double O. Number 9. U. 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 And U consonant sneaky E. Number 10. Ah. Ah. A. Now let's spell some words. Number 11. Let's spell the word took. T, k. T, k. T, k. Took. T-O-O-K. Number 12. Think. Th, ink. Th. TH makes the th sound. Th, in. Ink. Ink. Our IN kind of blend together to make a different sound. Ink. Number 13. J. 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 Do an uppercase and a lowercase on this line, just for practice. Number 14. Let's start spelling with J. Job. J. Ah. B. Job. Number 15. Jumping. 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 J. M. P. And then what makes the ing sound? Right. I-N-G. I-N-G says ing. Jump-ing. Number 16. Just. Just. J. S. T. Just. When you're finished writing your letters and words, look at the next section. Remember, we're taking a break from coding. 17 through 21. Which word spells jet? J, e, t. J, e, t. Right. Number 18 says j, e, t. Jet. Draw a line from number 18 to the picture of the jet. Look down here at our next picture. Brushing. Brushing. Did you find which word spells brushing? Br, br. What sound and letters make the br? BR. What word starts with BR? Number 25. Let's sound it out to make sure it's the right word. Ing. Do you think this is the right word? Yes. Draw a line from the picture to the word. And then turn your paper over. Deb was jogging in the woods. She met a kitten and stopped to pet it. The kitten's legs had a cut. Deb took the kitten home. Deb kept the kitten until it was well. Deb was the kitten's friend. Repeat each sentence after me. Deb was jogging in the woods. She met a kitten and stopped to pet it. The kitten's leg had a cut. Deb took the kitten home. Deb kept the kitten until it was well. Deb was the kitten's friend. Number 1. What was Deb doing in the woods? What was Deb doing in the woods? Number 2. What was cut? Deb, friend, the kitten's leg. What was cut? Deb, friend, the kitten's leg. Number 3. Where did Deb take the kitten? Home, to a friend's shack, to the woods. Where did Deb take the kitten? Home, to a friend's shack, to the woods. If you need to rehear the paragraph, you can rewind the video. When you're finished answering all the questions, submit your worksheet to your teacher.